Morning guys. Kumakain po siya guys ng breakfast niya. Nuggets po yan at saka fries. Actually, kakakain lang po niya ng request niya na soft-boiled egg. Kasi favorite niya po yan. Kulang na lang everyday. Hiingiin niya yan. Nagkasakit po kaming lahat guys. May mga ubo and sipon. Actually, si kuya ang pinakauna. Then si Brex yata o si papa niya. And then ako. Basta apat kami guys. Sabay-sabay kami. Pero si papa niya yung mukhang parang natamaan. And then si Brex. Kasi si papa niya nga ngayon. Masama pa rin pakiramdam. Inuubo. Tapos sinisipon na naman. Pero yun. Work pa rin kahit masama ang pakiramdam. No choice po kasi si papa lang niya yung naghahanap buhay. Si papa lang niya yung nag-work dito sa amin. Actually guys, bawal kasi iwan tong mga ganitong edad. Ang alam ko is 14 years old ang allowed na bata na pwede mo siyang iwan sa bahay. Since si Brix is 6 years old pa, magsa 7, bawal po. Kaya no choice po ako, hindi po ako pwede mag-work. Tutok muna po sa kanila. Kasi bawal po talaga silang iwan. Pulutin, kunin. May gamot po siyang iniinom, guys. Herbal po yun. Liquid. Yes. Oh, get it. Kunin mo. Huwag ka tissue, be. Get tissue. No, wipes pa na, be. Tissue.
You have a birthday every 4 seconds. That's just like real life, right? Accurate. That's how it feels like, at least. Years are flying by. Okay, so it's my birthday again. Hey, thanks, guys. Appreciate it. I'm 7. Oh, this is the greatest thing ever. I just gotta celebrate every freaking minute. You got a pet? Play with your pet on the trampoline. Oh my god, look at my cat. Wow, that looks just like me. Trampoline, no
Clean.
way. This is just like my freaking backyard in real life. I literally had a sand castle and I had
clean.
a within that. This is so weird. Oh my Jiminy Crickets. Time for school, go to room 101. I don't want to go to school. No, I want to
Kawawa, ilang days na siya absent.
Whose monster truck is that?
Pero okay lang yun kasi bawal naman talaga silang papasukin pag ganyan. Kasi baka makahawa sila.
Must pass driving test. Oh, okay, that's actually kind of cool. I can't even jump in the car because I'm literally 7. Hey, that makes sense. Alright, here's the school. I see
Tapon na, tapon na. Bakit mo si mama maya? Tapon mo na yung tissue. Finish na your food. Drink water.
9 candies in each bag. How many candies? 4 bags with 9 candies. That's 9 times 4, and that just has to be 36. Yes, dude.
Ang lamig. Malamig kasi guys, nakakatamad. Nakakatamad kumilos. Pero maya-maya, magluluto na ako. Meron kaming tuna dyan. In-order niya ni Jason sa kanyang friend. Ipiprito ko siya, gawin ng escabeche.
I was just stealing other kids' bikes this whole time. I want to skateboard though. This is way cool.
Okay guys. Bye-bye. See you on next vlog. See you on my next vlog. Char. Bye-bye.